Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today, I'd like to give you a review of this interesting garment. We've shown you how to make it a very long time ago. We've decided to show you how it looks like when it's finished. It's very comfortable and it's perfect for the cool weather. This is a cardigan with a dolman sleeves and one-piece hood. We were actually making a dress with the dolman sleeves and the hood, but Ira turned it into this cardigan with the patch pockets, a waistband, belt loops and buttons. It is extremely comfortable. I cannot imagine how I lived without it. You can make a warm dress of a similar design, making patterned. Have a close look at it. We've shown you how to make it in detail. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. You'll find the links in the description of this video. We want every one of you to look different and beautiful. I think that Ira is a star. Anything she puts on looks amazing. You don't even need to have an overlocker or cover stitch machine to sew a cardigan of blend wool. To make such cardigan, you do not even have to have a basic pattern. The garment is very stylish. Ira is happy with the result. And I'm happy to share this idea with you. Take it into consideration and sew a similar garment. You can combine it with different garments and thus create different looks every day. It is not necessary to make it of blend wool. You can make it of linen and combine it with linen trousers. It will be perfect for warm weather. Make it looser and gather it with a waistband. Be creative. I want us to be different and beautiful every day. I always tell you that you don't have to have a lot of different garments to be different. We're here to prove it to you. I think that this garment looks very stylish. It looks modern. Raw edges are in trend now. We want to show you a different combination. Have a close look at Ira. She's put on white trousers and shoes and a different blouse. This outfit is more stylish. It's suitable for some business meetings. The hood is very comfortable. It can protect you from wind and rain. Have a close look at the hood. It's one piece. Even though it was made as a decorative detail, it's pretty functional. Turn it off. You can also wear the cardigan unbuttoned. Dolman sleeves look amazing. The design is very simple. The cardigan consists of the 4 details. That's it. You don't need to sew or wear complicated garments to look beautiful. The simpler the design is, the more stylish the garment is. Such simple design always looks elegant. Try not to make a lot of different details like frills, yokes, princess seams, flounces. It will be hard to combine such garment with other ones in your wardrobe. Make a stylish garment of 4 details and be stylish. I hope that you like this idea. I think that Ira looks amazing. One of the ways to be different and beautiful is to be creative. When sewing a garment, think about what you're going to wear it with in advance. This is very important. Next, we'll show you one more outfit. Ira, change the clothes, please. Have a look at Ira. She also looks very stylish. Different shoes, the backpack. Ira, turn around, please. The accessories make the garment look absolutely different. Ira, unbutton the cardigan, please. Have a look at this unusual cancer skirt. Be very attentive. Have a look at the darts. There is a collared strap stitched to the lining. It's an interesting idea. The back is also very interesting. Ira, turn around, please. Have a look at it. The lining is visible. It's so unusual. I will show you the skirt in one of the next videos. The blouse is simple. This combination is also very stylish. I hope that you like our videos and use the ideas which we show you. We are happy to share them with you. That's all for today. Let's be different and beautiful every day together. We're Irina Paukshte and Ira. Buy my courses, subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.